The trends in enterprise messaging can really be boiled down to three key messages. Okay, one, messaging is the new platform. Two, bots are the new app. And three, the message is the new UI. Let me explain, right? And along with the rise of mobile consumer messaging, right? Everybody uses WhatsApp, WeChat, Line, Kakao, and so on. It's easy to chat with a friend halfway around the world, but it's hard for businesses to talk to their colleague halfway around the city. The reason is, these consumer apps don't work for enterprises. So there's a rise of new enterprise messaging apps like Slack, like TeamChat, that's produced by us, and many other tools as well. And they're designed to work in the enterprise context. They're more secure, they support larger teams, they're more structured, and so on. So, but even more interesting, as these messaging apps come in, they're being used not just for basic chat, but they're being used for more advanced things as well. It could be sales tracking, it could be HR workflows, it could be inventory tracking, and all kinds of structured communication, right? So the messaging app is becoming a platform on top of which all these services are being built, leading to a lot of interesting sort of examples. Okay, the second aspect, if you build on it, is that messaging bots are a way in which these services get automated, right? So what's a messaging bot? A bot is it's really just a software program, but it behaves like any other human user using chat, right? So the bot can send and receive messages like other human users, but they have program logic, which means they can automate the messaging workflows. Let's take a simple example, right? Let's say if you have an approval workflow. So the bot, when somebody sends a travel request, the bot will first send it to the first manager. Once that person approves, it goes to the second manager, then goes to HR and finance, for example. So the bot knows how to redirect the message, receive the replies, and handle the next step. And if you think about it, these messaging bots can enable automation of these services, which lead to, again, it just unlimited potential in terms of what's possible. And the last point is that once you have these bots being set up, end users don't need to learn anything new. Chatting with a bot is just like chatting with any other person. The only user interface is the message itself, right? So the bot asks you for the sales figure, you send it the information, it sends you approval, it gives you inventory status, product details, whatever it is that an enterprise employee is looking for, and it just becomes really, really simple. So just to reiterate, messaging is the new platform, the bot is the new app, and the message is the new UI.